Welcome to Fact Fusion Network, your go-to channel for in-depth insights on technology, science, history, and much more. Today, we're diving into the world of SIM cards to explore the differences between eSIMs and traditional SIM cards. So what are SIM cards? SIM cards are essential for mobile connectivity, allowing us to make calls, send texts, and access mobile data. But with the advent of eSIM technology, you might be wondering, what's the difference between eSIMs and traditional SIM cards? Let's find out. First, let's talk about traditional SIM cards. SIM stands for Subscriber Identity Module. These small, removable chips store information that authenticates your identity with your mobile carrier. Traditional SIM cards come in various sizes, including standard, micro, and nano. They have been the standard for decades, providing a straightforward way to switch between phones by simply swapping the card. So what's an eSIM? Now, let's introduce eSIMs. The E stands for embedded. Unlike traditional SIM cards, eSIMs are built directly into your device's hardware. This means there's no physical card to insert or remove. eSIMs store the same information as traditional SIM cards but offer greater flexibility and convenience. So, what are the key differences between eSIMs and traditional SIM cards? Let's break it down. First of all, physical form factor. Traditional SIM cards are physical chips, while eSIMs are embedded directly into your device. Second, flexibility and convenience. With eSIMs, you can switch carriers and plans without needing a new physical card. This can be done through software settings on your phone. Third is space-saving design. eSIMs save space inside the device, allowing for thinner designs or additional hardware components. Fourth is security. eSIMs offer enhanced security because they can't be removed and misused like traditional SIM cards. And the fifth is activation process. Activating an eSIM can be quicker and easier since it's done digitally, whereas traditional SIM cards require physical swapping. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons of each. First of all, let's talk about pros of traditional SIM cards. Traditional SIM cards are easy to swap between devices and are widely supported by all phones. And the cons are physical cards can be lost or damaged and limited by the size of the SIM tray. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of eSIM. First, pros of eSIM are there are no physical card needed and are easy carrier switching and more secure. And cons are eSIMs are not yet universally supported. They requires compatible device and carrier. In conclusion, both traditional SIM cards and eSIMs have their unique advantages. Traditional SIM cards are widely supported and easy to use, while eSIMs offer modern conveniences like quick carrier switching and added security. As technology evolves, we may see eSIMs becoming the standard, but for now, both have their place in the mobile world. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fact Fusion Network for more tech insights and explorations. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring with Fact Fusion Network.